Hey guys!
I'm Kira, and this is my sister,
Malia,
and my cousin,
Brianna.
And today we're going to be doing a video making this
Poppin' cookin'.
Hamburger and fries and a drink. So yeah. And also, we can't really read the instructions because...
Yeah, we don't speak Japanese.
Sadly.
I wish I could speak every language, but
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Because we've seen other people do this. But anyways, we're gonna watch a video on like how long to put it in the microwave and all that. So once we're done with this, we're going to make it. So let's get on with this video. Guys, we're just gonna unpackage it now.
and get all our ingredients on.
And we have scissors just in case.
We have scissors.
ASMR who?
Be careful, kids.
Boy, if you don't get
Okay.
Yeah, so
we're just gonna keep this here so that we can read the instructions.
So
well, we can read the instructions.
This is all this stuff. So let's open it up.
Open this, I guess.
This is trying to look a lot bigger.
Okay.
So we have our packet.
Oh, it
here.
has pictures on it.
Okay, well this
That's
is
so
gonna
helpful. Wait, it comes with a.
Okay, anyways, okay, so we're gonna start. So first we're gonna start by
do fries?
deciding- Oh yeah, the fries first.
Five hours later.
Okay, so
Do you want me to cut these
yes,
ones?
please. Okay, so once she cuts that, we're gonna come back and start making. Okay, guys, sorry, but we forgot to put our
background light up.
So we're just going to get on with making the fries. Once we've now cut up all the little pieces that we need, and we're just gonna use the fries. We're gonna make the fries first. So for the fries, you need
Fry packet.
We need 2 cups of water.
This mixing spatula
like a cup, like this little scoop thingy.
and this knife to cut the fries
Oh,
after they are finally done.
And we're still gonna use the box because the instructions are on there.
So they're gonna put the fried powder.
Wait, can I mix it?
Yeah. We're gonna put the fried powder in here. We'll put this way.
Okay, so sorry if there's background noises. There's people in my house. So,
Oh my God.
like my family and stuff. So we're just gonna be pouring this right in here like this, and it looks really. It looks.
It's
It
not
looks
gross.
like-
It's weird.
Okay, let me just make sure I get all that fries.
And then we're just gonna put 2
Water scoop.
super doodles.
Oh my gosh!
It doesn't really matter, but we're using room temperature water.
Why am I looking? I want to smell it. Wait 1 second.
Smells gross, probably.
I don't know if I
Oh,
like
it smells
that.
like stale. Oh, Malia, be careful. There's still water. Okay, you can start mixing. So we're gonna mix it up. Guys, this looks like.
Ew, what is
Okay,
that?
show the camera, Malia.
Wait, I can't because I'm mixing.
Oh, it smells like dog food. Okay, wait, guys. 1 second. Malia, you're getting it all over.
I can't believe I'm.
Because it's gonna be the easiest way.
And we have to make it like
It
even.
feels like
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Ew, what is it? We're going to put it in the microwave for 40 seconds.
Let's go.
Wait, okay, so we're gonna put this in the microwave. See, guys? So we're gonna put this in the microwave for 40 seconds. So let's go. Oh, Lord.
I'm scared for this, honestly.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be back when it comes out of the mic. Okay, guys, so it just came out of the microwave. It kind of steamed and it doesn't smell too good.
It doesn't smell very good, but it just pops out.
Okay, where's the knife?
We need the knife and we have to cut it like right here.
Here, show
This
the camera.
doesn't look.
You want me to hold the
This
camera?
doesn't look too appetizing.
Is it hard to cut?
One fried down.
Oh yeah, we don't even have our thing ready.
Yeah.
We don't have tape though.
So
So we're just
this is
gonna
what
put it on a plate.
We'll just put it on a
Fry.
plate.
I hope this tastes like McDonald's fries.
Honestly, yeah.
But we'll be back when all these are cut. Guys, so we're back. We made the fries. We're not going to show them till the end, but right now we're going to make the bun and the patties. So
Yeah.
So we need the meat. Well, not the meat.
The patty.
Meat. Yeah, like the meat.
And then the burger bun.
right now.
Okay, let's get started.
Oh my god, it's fries.
Okay, anyways, let's start. So we need to mix the patty in this.
Wait, do I use the whole thing?
Yeah, we
No,
use the-
because we need 2 patties.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Yeah,
divide
we're gonna divide it,
Oh, okay.
and we need 2 cups of water.
Okay, 2 cups of water. By 2 cups.
It's
we
white.
need.
Patties.
Everything's white. I mean,
Oh, this one's like brownish. I guess.
So this is what it
Wait,
looks
am I
like,
doing the
guys.
patties?
Yeah.
You're gonna put it in the tray, or do you want to add the water?
Doesn't matter.
Did you want to add the water?
It doesn't matter.
That's what it looks like. It's kind of like a grayish.
Oh, where's the water thingy? Oh, right here.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, it's kind of
gonna
like
add
a
some
bright,
water.
beigey brown.
We're gonna add. Oops, sorry guys. Let me just adjust the camera here so you guys can see what we're doing. So 1 water scoop.
I'm falling. The 2 chairs.
It kind of looks like chicken nuggets.
2 water scoops.
So we're just gonna stir it. I hope it turns like that patty color.
I think we need more water,
It's
but
guys, I can't even explain to you what it smells like.
I think we
We
need
need
more
more
water.
water, yeah.
So we're gonna add 1 more scoop of water.
Well, like,
It smells horrible.
I can't.
I don't smell. Ugh.
So guys, I have to wear this because it smells so bad.
Wear
I'm gonna
that.
put a little bit more water.
Good joke. Wear that. Wear.
Stop it. Get some help.
I still think we
Really,
need more
let me see
water.
if
Please.
You're gonna put the water in the patties.
Can I mix?
Okay, guys. So the patties are all done, but we're not gonna show you till the very end.
So
They're
now
not
we gotta
fully done
do.
because we still gotta put the ketchup.
All 3 of us are gonna do a different thing. She's gonna do cheese. I'm gonna do ketchup.
I'm gonna do cook.
I know, right?
They're like
Dusty,
bite.
rusty, and crusty.
So what do
Why?
I
We're
use?
not
How do I
supposed to?
make the cheese? No, it's okay. So anyways, how do I make this cheese? I'm gonna
Some
start
kids on
making the
cheese.
cheese. So first I'm gonna pour in the
My
cheese. Okay.
You can never get a full thing of water.
There we go. Okay, so now we're just gonna stir it. Oh, it actually smells like cheese.
Ew.
It smells like plastic cheese, like the fake
It
rusty
smells like.
plastic cheese.
Okay, what happened to the powder?
It's not that. It doesn't look that bad.
No, not that.
Okay, guys, so now I'm just going to smooth it out. So I'll be back once I get that. But anyways,
We're making the ketchup now.
And I said I'm going to smell it.
anyways,
I'm trying to
we're
get
making-
my
Oh, it's
okay
okay.
perfectly in the
Watch.
awkward bun. Smell?
It smells like ketchup.
It smells like ketchup.
Wait, no, it smells like the ketchup that
Oh
you put on
yeah,
popcorn
yeah,
at the movie
exactly,
theaters.
exactly. Oh man, they're really trying to make this like actually.
Okay. Now we need. Does anyone want to put the water in?
Wait,
We need
yeah,
2 cups.
Only you
of
have
water.
that. You gotta put a lot of water in that. Okay, so
About
2 cups.
of water.
It needs to be really saucy, so we might need to add more water. No, I think this will be good.
And then we need
Malia, look, it's instantly turning into ketchup. Like, guys, it's instantly turning into ketchup.
so oh, okay, Kira, I think you're adding
No, it's supposed to be
No,
saucy.
it's supposed to be.
Show the camera that.
saucy.
Ew.
It's like liquidy.
This is what it. It's a ketchup. You know
So
what? I'm
we're
just
gonna go.
You don't even like ketchup. You want water?
That's probably one of the worst things I've ever tasted.
Normally- I can't. Just put on the burger. I literally can't. I hate ketchup as it is.
No, just
No, you don't.
just
Kira,
try
you
it.
don't hate ketchup.
Just try it on the burger now. So
no, it's not bad.
we're not gonna show you the burger.
Ew.
That's just because you don't like ketchup.
No,
Bree.
it's
Guys, we're not gonna
disgusting.
show you the burger yet. We're gonna
Oh.
show you at the end. So
quick.
guys, so we switched spots because my sister wanted to be in the middle so that you guys can
then-
see. She's been waiting to do the soda because she's super excited to do the soda because it fizzes. So
Wait, do you want to?
before we add the powder, I'm gonna do a close up here. I'll drink.
Pour it into here. Pour it into here.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, wait. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go closer before she adds the powder. So my sister's about to add
it upside
the
down.
powder.
You have to open. You have to
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Lord. Okay. Okay, so she's cut the powder.
Okay, that's good.
Ready? Yeah.
Ew. It doesn't look like it's fizzing. Oh yeah, it is.
Okay, guys, I hope it doesn't overflow.
Oh my god.
Just do it.
It smells like Coke. Guys, it actually
We
smells
have
like
to. I
Coke.
think we
Oh,
have to
yeah,
mix
it
it a tiny
does.
bit.
So we're gonna mix it. Guys, I can't even tell you. It literally smells like Coke.
It actually does. Can you smell?
Oh.
So the soda might not be half bad, and we'll be back when
But it
where
smells like
we have everything all together because we are now finished.
La-di-da.
Okay, guys. Anyways,
Oh, hamburgers and French fries and Coke. Wow,
Okay,
what a
let's just
great
get into
yeah,
eating.
let's just get into eating. Okay, guys. So we are gonna
I wanna try this first.
the fry. Yeah, we're gonna try the fries first. Okay, guys. So we're done with everything. We made the fries, the hamburger, the drink, and we might dip our fries in the
This is
ketchup.
the ketchup that Brie made, if you're wondering.
It's gross.
Okay, so
I tasted it.
Let's try the fries
That's
first because it's the
okay,
first thing
okay.
we made.
Yeah, I also don't like ketchup, but it's still very gross.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is the fries. These are the fries. Oh, guys, these are the fries.
Okay, let's try them.
3. Wait, not yet,
Two.
not yet, not yet.
Here. Oh, we dropped it.
3,
I'm gonna have my spit.
2, 1.
1. If you want to spit it out there.
Be careful.
Ew.
Okay, guys.
It made a bun and everything.
Sorry, guys, that's just my mom.
The fries
It's delicious.
aren't the greatest.
They taste like if you get McDonald's fries. They
No,
went
they taste
stale
like
for one
they
day
taste
and they're
like
cold.
when you get noodles, but they have no flavor.
Coke. I'm just
Yeah,
gonna take
let's
one.
Mommy,
take a
look
drink
at
of
Xander. He's like, get me out.
Okay, stop. Let's try.
That's actually not bad. That's actually kind of. It tastes. It's not fizzy though. It just tastes like juice. It tastes like juice. No, it tastes like. Tastes like pop if it didn't have water. No, like carbonated. Ew, Lillian's just spitting everywhere.
The Coke? No.
It's actually better than the fries.
It smells like Coke, but it isn't.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Burgers are next.
I'm super scared. I actually have a headache right now, so that's why I'm spitting everything out.
What is that?
Good thing I didn't try it. I just saved myself from suicide.
Here. Guys, that's disgusting.
I can't get out.
Ew.
Kira, okay, you're over exaggerating.
Try it.
No.
Try it. You have to try it. You.
Oh my god.
That was the worst thing I've ever.
Can I worst thing? Kira, this is why I told you we should get the sweet thing. Listen to your sister. sister. She has things too, even though
Okay,
she's young.
guys.
This was the worst thing I've.
Anyways, I'm
Wait,
out.
Malia, you have. Malia, you have to try the burger. You participated in it. You have to.
3,
2, 1, go.
Be Claire, because she actually pukes if she tries something she doesn't like.
How is that not bad? I expected better.
Guys,
You guys are over exaggerating. It's actually not.
No, Malia. I'll try some bun.
Your likes bun.
It's not the bad. It's not that bad.
The problem or the patty? Ew,
The
don't.
patty.
Can I eat it?
I want to taste the cheese.
Guys, I'm not even joking.
It's not that bad.
The cheese tastes like cheese, which
I
I
think
don't
I
like,
won this
so.
challenge. I actually swallowed the.
This was never a challenge.
That was nasty.
So guys, I hope you like this video. Altogether, poppin' cooking is really fun to make, but not good to eat. I think you should still get it. It's a good experience.
Get the sweet ones though.
Yeah.
Just
Something
think-
different.
I think that their donuts and their sweets, like the sweets, would be better.
Yeah. So anyways, don't forget, if you liked this video, don't forget to like it down
Smash that like
below.
button.
And while you're liking this video, put on the
post
notifications
notifications.
and
Subscribe.
so yeah. And if you want to see another one of these poppin' cooking videos, just comment down below. So yeah, guys, bye.